Welcome back to the channel, guys. You might have just seen we've got a little bit of a parts order. Quick video just of an update of panels basically. M Machine have come through. I've not very rarely dealt with M Machine. I've always just sort of bought panels as and when. Obviously the Clubman is just like find them and as cheap as possible and do what we can. The 89 build has all been motor heritage, so we haven't really used M Machine for that. But for the Cooper, some bits for the Clubman and some bits for the 89, we've done like a bit of a bulk order. All really little things. They're not particularly like expensive items, if you know what I mean, but it's just one of them. It's a nice big package, so yeah, let's delve in and have a look. I've already opened it up just to double check everything's there, because it'd be a really awful video if I was quite angry at the fact that there's nothing there. So yeah, let's have a quick look. So I'll spin you guys round and let's have a delve into this box. Right, so starting with these on the top, these are door pocket repairs for the 89. So that's passenger side, and we've got driver side as well. So yeah, we'll give them a go. I've not heard the best things about them, but at the end of the day, if we can cut and shut them a little bit and get them work fitting, it will obviously save those door pockets. So they're for the 89. These are also for the 89 build. They're the inner door pocket closers, so going in with the door pocket theme, that finishes off that whole area. And we've got the square pocket, square patch plate that goes behind, that sort of coincides with the quarter panel as well. So that's the 89, a few little bits. In here is the corner repair panels for the Clubman. So you can see the profile of the boot there. I won't unwrap them yet, keep them together, but yeah, you can see where the bumper would go. That should sort out the accident, especially this side we're looking at now. That's the accident damage side, so we'll give them a shot, see how well they fit. What else have we got? That's the centre section, the budget Clubman. So where the boots would latch on, you've got the holes there. It is a Magnum panel, but it was like, I think 16 quid. So there's no point mucking around with what I've got. Using those two other panels on this, let's give it a go. And like I say, I've got an offcut of a boot floor, so I got a Facebook Marketplace. So obviously with the budget Clubman side of things, we will add this onto the total, but I think this is £16 and those two bits were, you know, £8 each or something, so there's not a lot of money. So that's those two. Now the big one is the Cooper. So we've got two door steps there, sort of bound together there. So yeah, we've got two door steps. Just done one of these on the Clubman, so we'll see how well that fits. And this is M Machine's own one by the looks of it underneath for the other side. So yeah, that's probably the first job to do on the Cooper. We'll get our door steps in. Sticking with the Cooper, there's two sills there, so we've got both sides. Really nice thick steel, these M Machine panels. I'm really quite impressed with them so far. So they're a lot thicker than Magnum panels. I mean, these are the thickness of a heritage panel. So yeah, my first time fitting these. Let's give these a shot. So Chris and James, here's your seals. A lot more healthy than what was on the car. So that's for that. And last but not least, this is the driver's side, so it's good to start with because we've already started that in the video. There's a full inner sill there, and I'm really happy it's come with this. I didn't know they came with that fitted. So what I might do is put the whole thing in. Yeah, really happy at that. Even got the little clips of the carpets to make it look factory. Cannot knock that. I won't be ordering inner sills from anywhere else now. These are loads better than the Magnum ones. Really thick steel. Really, really happy with those. And obviously you can see in the box, got the other side as well. The other side, I don't think we need too much of it, but we've got it at the end of the day. And these again, I think they were like £16.80 a side, something like that, £14 a side. Cannot make it for that. That is really, really, really good steel. So pop all them back in the box. So there's all the Cooper bits, budget Clubman bit, and here's some bits for the 89. Right, so that was just a quick video, an update. Panels means loads more content to come, loads more work for me. Let's hope I get my 7 days self-isolation very soon, because I've got a good 7 days work easily. Yeah, pretty happy with the panel so far. Like I say, I've only ever ordered bits and bobs from a machine, not major things. But the inner sills, if they fit as well as they look, they're still so much better. And I'm really happy it's got the seatbelt anchor on it. So like I said, especially on the driver's side on the Cooper, I will probably just put the whole thing in. It's probably, it cuts everything out. Passenger side, obviously we'll assess that, but we have the panel to go with if not. The sort of flavour we've gone with the Cooper is the Mini Mayfair is owned by James, so anything we don't use in the Cooper, say I use quarter of a doorstep or a bit of a doorstep or whatever, or we don't use the whole of the inner sill on the passenger side, we're going to save that for his Mayfair, because his Mayfair's got oversills on it and things like that. So we stockpiling parts in a way, but I do think the Cooper's going to consume most of them. So we've got them, they weren't a lot of money, and yeah, got loads of work to do on the Cooper. The Clubman, I'm a bit nervous about doing this back panel. I've not done it before, but like I mentioned in my previous episode on the budget Clubman, I have watched Upbuild, I have watched a few other forum like build threads and stuff, and they do seem to go together. You've just got to take your time. So that teamed with this little offcut of the back edge of the boot I've got for it. It should make all 3 seams brand new on that. Back with the 89 now, we can start sorting these door pockets out. I have just mocked up the door pocket repairs, and they aren't the best. Profile steel's really good, and they've come joggled, which is really good. So I can do all the welding from the inside and you won't see it from the outside, so from inside the car. So I think from looking at it, they just need shortening, so I'm going to chop it and then move it back, and just go with that really. At the end of the day, it's a door pocket, and you can sort of smooth it over at the front with a little bit of seam sealer and stuff. So yeah, quick video guys, not the most thrilling I gather, but it's new panels, new parts, and that's a good thing for me. I love getting new panels and parts, even though they're not for my car really. The bulk of that box was for the Cooper. But yeah, James and Chris, obviously I can now crack on with the Cooper. First point of call thing, I'm going to do doorstep first, bit like I've done with the budget Clubman, do doorstep, then cut the rest away. Gives you a nice, the car's nice and braced and stuff like that. So, but I'll go back to the Cooper and I'll see where I'm at. So I might do the inner sill first instead of the doorstep. We'll work it out. Either way, it's got to be done. So yeah, follow me on that. We are also going to get some paint ordered up for the Cooper. So we're going to do all the cavity painting, and we're going to blow in the underside of the car with some stone chip and some colour. So it should look really nice. Same sort of style. Went with my sidewalk where you did all the outside repairs because that's all it needed, and then you just match it to the centre. So yeah, it should look really nice. I'm really looking forward to getting the Cooper done and back to Chris. Yeah, loads of panels. So really quick video guys. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I've got loads of panels as you've just seen, loads more content to come on the restoration. The sidewalk's coming back to the channel very soon, as I did mention in the last episode. And yeah, we've got loads coming. So apologise for the lack of videos, as in I was getting 2 to 3 out a week, but you know what, everyone in the world and the UK or whatever at the moment, the world's gone mad, so trying to get time and stuff. But hopefully, like I said, I'll have my 7 days soon. So hit that subscribe button, ring the bell down there, and I'll drop in a few videos at the end of this just to keep you recapped of what's been going on. But we've got loads of welding ahead, so you guys that like watching your welding, got quite a bit coming, and yeah, let's crack on. So catch you next one guys. Bye bye.